To update Coinbase and sell your crypto, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Coinbase app on your device. You can check for updates in the App Store on your mobile device. Next, log into your Coinbase account using your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will also need to enter the code sent to your phone or email. After logging in, navigate to the portfolio page where you can view all the cryptocurrencies you own. Select the cryptocurrency you want to sell by clicking on it. Then click the Sell button and enter the amount you want to sell. You can choose to sell a specific amount or your entire balance. Next, select the payment method you want to use to receive the funds from the sale. This can be a bank account or a debit card. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. This includes the amount of cryptocurrency you are selling and the payment method you are using. If everything is correct, click the Sell Now button to complete the transaction. The funds will be transferred to your selected payment method. It is essential to note that the price of cryptocurrency can fluctuate rapidly, so the price you see when you start the sale process may not be the same when the transaction is completed. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with selling cryptocurrency on Coinbase. These fees can vary depending on the type of cryptocurrency and the payment method you are using. By following these steps, you can easily update Coinbase and sell your crypto. Remember to always review the transaction details carefully before completing a sale and be aware of any fees associated with the transaction.